You guys, the video did not record the beginning. I'm doing some ornaments. These are plastic. I got them at Michael's. Okay, and I'm gonna just do another one because I don't know what happened. So I'm just gonna lay this one right here. Okay, I'm just gonna do another one. I have the Victorian blue acrylic paint. I have white, and I'm also using some metallic gold. Okay, any metallic gold. And I'm also using the Dixie Belle Sea Spray. Now, I got these at Michael's when it was like clearance last year, so I grabbed a whole bunch. And I'm doing an ornament that has a different texture on it. And so I have my Sea Breeze powder, my gold. I mixed the blue with the white to make a softer blue. And I'm just going to pour some more blue on here. And I'm going to paint another one. I have no idea what happened. So, but that's okay. So I'm going to remove this. And I'm going to take my sea sponge. And I mix this in the paint and a dab on the sea sponge. Okay, sea spray, sorry. I'm using the sea spray. So I'm gonna go all the way around, and I wanna make sure that I get along the rim, and you will need 2 coats of this. So I'll start from this end here. I love doing these. I did these last year for my kids, for family. And then you can, I'm going to decorate the top part using jute string. Okay, so I'm going to dry this and reapply another coat. Okay, so both ornaments are dry, and now I'm going to apply the second layer, and I'm going to use a different sea sponge. And so I'm going to do the same way. I'm just going to move this, and I'm going to use that soft blue, and I don't want big blobs. So you're going to tap in different little areas of the ornament. So it kind of looks like a marble effect. Okay, I'm going to do the same for the other side, for this one. I'm going to dry that. I'm loving it. And yes, your hands get all full of paint, but it's all fun. Now, let's get ready for the gold, okay? So I have another one. So you kind of need a few of them. And I'm going to do the same thing. I don't want big blobs. So I just want a couple little spots. And the gold, you guys, is beautiful. So put that where you want. And you can add like big amount of clob on there. Love this. Okay, I'm going to do the other one. I love it. Okay, let's move all that. Looks so nice, you guys. Now you can put like spray it with a sealer so that it protects your ornaments. Now I'm going to put these guys back on, and I'm going to put jute string all the way around. You can leave it like this as well, but I thought it would make it look vintage if I put some jute string all the way around. So I have my glue gun on and ready to go, and I'm also going to hang it with the jute string. I don't know if I like this big blob there. Okay, I'm going to start from, so I'm going to put it through. I'm going to glue that little tip right there. So let's put some glue on, and then I'll be able to go all the way around on top of it. So, okay, so it's all glued. Now I'm going to the other one through, so that looks like you're hanging it right like this. So put it as long as you want. You want it long enough. Now I'm going to put glue all the way on the top and go around with it. Make sure it's tight on the top part. Okay, and then I'm going to continue going along the edge. So you want to make sure that you apply enough glue and you go around so it doesn't move. I'm loving this. Okay, I'm going to keep going around till I cover all of that ferrule. And okay, I'm done. Now I'm going to cut that. I cut enough string, you guys. I'm going to try and tuck that underneath. So now it hangs like this. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's do the same for the other one. You can decorate the top part. I just gotta move my clue. You can decorate the top here with like a little holly, maybe something Christmassy, but I kind of like it like that. Okay, I'm gonna do the same. So I'll cut a long enough string. you guys, here's my 2 ornaments. Really hope you enjoyed this and inspires you to make one. So thanks for watching and see you next time.